myself, Diana Medina, Maxine Medina, Roger Cruz. We have Jan Marini, Gerald Pizarra, CJ Ramos, Nadine Samonte, Katia Santos, Kathleen Hermosa, influencers, Team Moshi, Ice Arago, and Rich Reginaldo. From Sparkle, we also have Jeremy, Levin, Hans Galendez, Claudine, Miro Max, yung influencer din po na kilala. Miro, yung name.
And I'm sure marami mga nag-a-apply.
Yes, meron kaming upcoming din na lalabas by May, month of May.
Tapos last question, si Kiray kasi nasabi niya noon na parang kumita siya ng biggest niya is 5 M a day sa live selling. Kayo ba ano yung masasabi ng pinakamalaki mo na live selling?
Sa akin, 25 million.
Oh,
GMV po.
in a day.
We're talking about GMV, gross merchandise value. If it's GMV, 25 million pesos.
Oh.
Are we talking about GMV? Because it's different from her own kita to GMV. The GMV, yes, it's 25 million.
Thank you.
Thank you.